Well, everyone, hopefully you're having a great day. One of the things I'm looking at is looking at the credit score and see how the credit score has been going with velocity banking. So let me go ahead and start my screen as usual. So here you can see the credit score that I pulled up today. And according to coming out of Bank of America, FICO score 8 model is down by 6%. Let's kind of look at how it's been trending. Okay, since April of 2025, of 2024, I was at 689, pulled it up to 739, came down a little bit. All right, let's go over to Wells Fargo. This is what I pulled a few days ago, 762, FICO score 9 from Experian data, down 672 since doing velocity banking. Let's go ahead and go to credit-wise. Remarkably, just increases credit score by 68 points using the Vantage score model from TransUnion. And you can kind of see the history. I think I had a graph on history. Didn't have that graph in this particular one. But that's what I wanted to look at. How has velocity banking fundamentally has changed my credit scoring? I started in December of 2023. I've been doing this for 466 days using velocity banking, trying to understand it. Initially started with trying to reduce one of my mortgages, which I fundamentally did last year. So continuing to moving on with that, I have a line of credit at 5,500, looking for an additional line to try to move the needle on the other ones as I look at my SMART goals and SMART objectives. Now, everyone's different in terms of their economic and social position that may impact their credit score and how much they can actually throw at velocity banking. But in doing velocity banking, I fundamentally just now use checking accounts to do direct deposit, and immediately the money goes into a line of credit, and then I either write checks from it, use a credit card, and try to keep it unused for the entire month. So as I've been practicing velocity banking, that particular formula seems to have been helped and working for me. Last year, about $20,000 to $25,000 in debt, I was able to erase. More recently, I was starting to use credit advance, cash advance, and I've moved to using one credit card, pulling off cash there, dropping it also into the HELOC to gain some extra decrease in my balance. So that has been good for me. One of the benefits of having a line of credit and possibly doing your mortgage is the liquidity or having access to cash. I was able to take about 10 grand out of it, lend it out. I received it back, and now putting it back into the HELOC. But that liquidity over having a mortgage can offer some insight in terms of other things. So thank you very much for stopping by. I really appreciate your looking. Again, the velocity banking has helped me more recently with my April 13th report of increasing my credit score or a credit profile by 68 points. All right, thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.